Welcome to this comprehensive video script about intimacy, arousal, and desire. In this video, we will explore what prevents women from enjoying sex and provide some tips on how to fix it. Sex can be a deeply intimate and enjoyable experience, but for many women, it can be fraught with anxiety, discomfort, and dissatisfaction. Understanding the root causes of these issues can help women and their partners enhance their sexual experiences and improve their overall relationship. Let's start by discussing the factors that can prevent women from enjoying sex. There are several physical, psychological, and societal factors that can contribute to sexual difficulties. For example, lack of intimacy. Many women need emotional closeness and intimacy to feel aroused and desire sex. If a woman doesn't feel emotionally connected to her partner, she may have difficulty enjoying sex. Stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can negatively impact a woman's ability to feel sexually aroused. When a woman is stressed, her body releases cortisol, which can interfere with the production of hormones that contribute to sexual desire. Pain or discomfort. Pain or discomfort during sex can be a common problem for women. This may be due to medical conditions, such as vaginismus or endometriosis, or simply because of insufficient lubrication or poor technique. Negative body image. Women who feel self-conscious about their bodies may have difficulty relaxing and enjoying sex. This can be especially true if they feel pressure to conform to narrow beauty standards. Societal expectations. Society often places pressure on women to be passive or submissive during sex, which can make it difficult for them to communicate their desires and needs to their partners. So, how can women and their partners overcome these obstacles and enjoy a more fulfilling sex life? Here are a few tips. Prioritize intimacy. Building emotional intimacy with your partner can help improve your sexual experiences. Make time to connect with your partner outside of the bedroom, whether it's through date nights, shared hobbies, or simply spending quality time together. Practice stress reduction techniques. There are many techniques that can help reduce stress and anxiety, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Address physical discomfort. If you experience pain or discomfort during sex, talk to your doctor. They can help diagnose any underlying medical conditions and recommend treatments, such as pelvic floor therapy or medication. Focus on pleasure. Instead of fixating on your appearance or worrying about how you look, focus on the sensations you're experiencing. Try new positions or techniques to find what feels good for you. Communicate with your partner. Don't be afraid to communicate your desires and needs to your partner. Discuss what you enjoy and what you don't, and work together to find ways to enhance your sexual experiences. In conclusion, there are many factors that can prevent women from enjoying sex, but there are also many ways to overcome these obstacles. By prioritizing intimacy, practicing stress reduction techniques, addressing physical discomfort, focusing on pleasure, and communicating with your partner, you can improve your sexual experiences and enhance your overall relationship. Remember, sex should be a positive and enjoyable experience, and it's up to you and your partner to make it that way. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.